All right, so for tonight's homework, we are finding the area of irregular shapes. So here's my shape. I've got a 2, a 2, a 3, and a 4. So the first thing I have to do is I have to separate this into two separate shapes. And so I am going to kind of extend this line here and break it off into two separate shapes. So now I have one shape here, and then I have another one here. So the big key rule here to remember is that opposite sides are equal. So if I have 2 here, I'm going to have 2 here. And so I'm going to circle these so that I know that these guys are together. Okay, now we have to figure out what these sides are going to be. And so this nice long 4 is no longer one big 4. It's cut into two separate pieces. So think about it as that number line. And so we've got 2 chunks that have to equal 4. So if I have 2 here, remember opposites are equal. So I've got 2 here. So I'm going to have 2 here. We'll use squares for this bottom one. And if I have 3 here, I'm going to have 3 here. So then if I had 4 total, my first jump is 2. My second jump has to get me to 4. So 2 plus what is 4? Well, I'm going to have 2 left, and that's going to be a circle because it goes with this guy. And so if I have 2 here, I have 2 here. So now I have to find the area of each shape. So for my first one here, I've got 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 equals 4. And then for this one, I have I've got 2 times 3. So 2 times 3, and that will equal 6. So I add these together. 4 plus 6 is 10. And then it says that we are measuring in millimeters. So this is number 2. So for number 2, I will have 10 square millimeters. We have to have units on our homework tonight. Have to have that SQMM, square millimeters. Has to have the unit there or it's not going to be counted right. So please show your work. I should just have one shape with circles, one shape with squares.